The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, announced that it will be updating the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, pricing methodology through a new risk rating system. According to FEMA, this system, which is being referred to as Risk Rating 2.0, will leverage additional information and variables to help communicate policyholders' flood risk more clearly, as well as deliver more accurate and equitable premium rates. The NFIP currently provides nearly $1.3 trillion in coverage to over 5 million policyholders throughout the country. Under Risk Rating 2.0, approximately 23% of these policyholders will encounter premium rate decreases, whereas the other 77% will experience some kind of varying degrees of premium rate increases. FEMA confirmed that these rate adjustments will be implemented through a phased approach, with the first official rate change beginning in October 2021. Review the guidance that's coming out from FEMA for more information on the Risk Rating 2.0 and how this new system will affect NFIP policyholders and the timeline for rolling out premium rate adjustments. So why Risk Rating 2.0? Well, FEMA's currently policy methodology for the NFIP has been in place for 50 years, primarily bases policyholders' premiums rate on static measurements. Namely, the existing system focuses on primary elevation within a particular zone of the flood insurance rate map. Under the Risk Rating 2.0, FEMA has integrated further flood hazard information into the NFIP pricing methodology, which is including private sector data sets, catastrophe models, and actuarial science elements. Under the 2.0, approximately 23% of the policyholders will encounter premium rate decreases, and again, 77% will experience some type of increase. Apart from property elevation, Risk Rating 2.0 incorporates the following flood variables within premium rate calculations: flood frequency, flood type, such as river overflow, storm surge, heavy rainfall, and coast erosion, distance between a property and water source, property rebuilding costs. FEMA explained that the current NFIP pricing methodology has resulted in policyholders with lower valued homes paying steeper premium costs than their share of flood risk, while policyholders with higher valued homes have been paying lower premium expenses than their share of flood risks. However, FEMA emphasized that by utilizing additional information and variables to determine the NFIP policyholders' premium rates, it will be taking a transformational leap forward in the scope of ensuring accurate and equitable rates for all homeowners. In other words, Risk Rating 2.0 is intended to establish fairer rates for policyholders based on their unique flood hazard and property characteristics. So it's changing. According to FEMA, the current NFIP pricing methodology has led to policyholders encountering average premium rate increases of about $8 a month each year at renewal. After incorporating additional flood information and variables into pricing methodology, FEMA provided that Risk Rating 2.0 will have the following impact on current NFIP policyholder premium rates. Nearly a quarter, the 23% of the policyholders experiencing premium rate decreases, paying an average of $86 less each month. 2/3 or 66% of the policyholders will encounter moderate premium rate increases, paying an average of $0 to $10 more every month. The final 11% of policyholders will experience more significant premium increases, with 7% paying on average of $10 to $20 more each month, and 4% paying an average of over $20 more each month. What's not changing? So despite the various changes being implemented under the Risk Rating 2.0, FEMA confirmed that these aspects of the NFIP will remain the same. By utilizing flood mapping, in addition to the aforementioned flood information and variables, the firm will continue to be incorporated within NFIP pricing methodology. Setting limits on rate increases. Statutory limits on premium rate increases will stay in place, meaning that most rates cannot rise more than 18% each year. Offering discounts. A wide range of existing NFIP premium discounts will still be offered to eligible policyholders. This includes, but is not limited to, continuous coverage grandfathering, discounts for policyholders who belong to communities that participate in the community rating system, and the transfer of policy discounts to new homeowners when properties change ownership. The Risk Rating 2.0 rollout, in terms of their timeline for implementing the 2.0, FEMA is adopting a gradual approach. As a result, the new system rollout will occur in two main phases. Phase 1. This phase will start on October 1st, 2021, All new NFIP policies beginning on or after this date will be subjected to risk rating 2.0. In addition, current policyholders who are up for renewal on or after this date are eligible for premium rate decreases under the new pricing methodology, and that will be permitted to start paying reduced costs. Phase 2. This phase will start on April 1st, 2022. Not April Fool's joke. All current NFIP policyholders who are up for renewal on or after this date will be subject to risk rating 2.0. My dog wanted to come help. So that's some information on some changes that are coming out for FEMA flood insurance. If you have any questions, reach out to your local insurance agent to get more specific information. Y'all have a good night.